So when you cut this material tree with the axe of detachment, then you want to find what is the better destination, and you want to go to that superior destination where there is no misery. Vaikuntha. Vaikuntha means where there is no kuntha. Vaikuntha means what? No miseries. Kuntha means miseries. Kuntha means miseries. Vaikuntha means no miseries, where there are no miseries. So now we have to search for that ultimate destination. That is Padam Param. Param Padam. Param Padam. Okay. So now you see, if you want to go America, you want to go Indonesia, you want to go Australia, you need to have a visa or not? आपको उनकी गवर्नमेंट की परमिशन चाहिए ना, कि ऐसे ही चले जाओगे बैग उठा के? हैं? अलाउ नहीं करेंगे भैया, वीज़ा नहीं रहेगा तो अलाउ नहीं करेंगे. नॉट अलाउड. You need to have the permission, you need to have visa. Similarly, you want to go to spiritual world, Krishna has told, Bhaiya, you have to have these qualities, only then you will be allowed. Okay, so what are the qualities Krishna is telling here? Nirmana means you should have no pride. See, I am repeating, thoda sun lo. Just have little patience. Very good, very good. So Nirmana means you should have no mana. Man means pride. If someone tramples a blade of grass, does it have pride? वो क्या करता है? चुपचाप रहता है ना? Prabhupada says not even a blade of grass. Not even a blade of grass. Prabhupada says a straw in the street. What he says? Not even a blade of grass. We have to be like a straw in the street. Straw in the street तो trample करने के बाद फिर खड़ा भी नहीं होता है, वैसे ही पड़ा रहता है. हाँ, does it get up again? If you trample, if you stamp that grass, वो वापस खड़ा होता है? नहीं होता ना, वैसे ही पड़ा रहता है. So Nirmana means you should not expect so much of respect, but you should give a lot of respect to everyone. That's what who says? चैतन्य महाप्रभु क्या बोलते हैं? त्रिनादपि सुनीचेना तरोरपि सहिष्णुना हमानीना मानदेना कीर्तनीया सदा हरि. Means you give respect to everyone, but don't expect respect. Okay, that is what Mahaprabhu's policy. He said that make this shloka as an ornament and tie it on your neck. Okay, make it as an ornament. Live that. Make it as an ornament and live in your life this shloka. Okay, then Nirmana. Moha means no illusion. Jita Sangha Dosha, bereft of all the false association. जो भी गलत एसोसिएशन है ना, who is taking you away from Krishna, you leave that association. Then Adhyatma Nitya. Adhyatma means always be in a spiritual association. Now you are in spiritual association. Don't see the watch. तो हमेशा बुक्स पढ़ना है, हमेशा हियर करना है, प्रभुपाद की वाणी को सुनना है, गुरु के वाणियों को सुनना है, आचार्यों की वाणियों को सुनना है. Then you associate with such great personalities, you imbibe those qualities. Understand? If you read about Parikshit Maharaj, you will develop attachment like Parikshit Maharaj, है ना? If you read about Dhruv Maharaj, you are developing those qualities. Okay, so Sukha Dukkha Sangha, you have to be equipoised in happiness or distress. Not that happiness आएगा तो आप बहुत elated हो गए, हाँ एकदम, and then distress आ गए तो कोने में कहाँ दिख रहा है, दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा है, इतना दुखी आत्मा बन गया. ऐसा नहीं, हर स्थिति में you have to be equipoised with Krishna. This is Krishna's mercy. What does the devotee, what do the devotee they see? They don't see, oh this is my karma. They say this is Krishna. This is the Krishna is done. You आप लोग करते हो ना, कभी लाइट चले जाता है, इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच देख रहे हो, और अगर लाइट चले जाएगा, एंटीना गया, तो आप क्या बोलोगे? एंटीना गया नहीं बोलोगे, बोलोगे ज़रूर पाकिस्तान वालों ने किया है. Because of Pakistan, we have lost this match. Similarly, the devotees, they don't say this is my karma. They say that maybe Krishna wants us to learn something, है ना? Everything is Krishna for devotees. So these are the qualities which Krishna told. भैया कुछ भी एक दो क्वालिटी बता दो मीटिंग मिनिस्ट्री. कोई इतने क्वालिटीज बताया, निर्माना, नो प्राइड, नो इल्यूजन, नो फॉल्स एसोसिएशन, नो बैड एसोसिएशन, ऑलवेज आध्यात्म नित्य, ऑलवेज एंगेज इन स्पिरिचुअल एक्टिविटीज.